Hello again, students. In this very short video, I just want to focus on the word problem, how to solve the word problems about time, the 24-hour time. Okay. So in these word problems, we do not use AM and PM. Okay. So we just have the 24-hour clock here, and uh, and please remember, for every word problems, what you need to do is to read carefully. After that, after you read carefully, then you know which one is known to you and which ones that is unknown to you. Okay. After that, for the things that you know and the things that is unknown, you draw the models for that. Okay. So first, what we need to do for this word problems about the time, what we need to do is to draw the timeline first. Now we draw the timeline, and then the things that we know here is the starting time is 23:45. We just write it, we mark it, and then we also know about the arrival time, 3:25. Okay, so we mark it over there, and then uh, the question is how long was the bus ride? Okay, so after you finish this timeline with the starting time and the arrival time here, then what we need to do is you need to write down all the hour between 23:45 to 03:25. So the hours that between 23 and 03 is 03:25. Here is uh, these are the time. Okay, from 00. After that, another hour is 01, another hour is 02, another hour is 03, and then we go to the 03:25. Okay, so we have these hours in here in between 23:45 to 03:25. So after that, we need to count the duration. Now, so the first one is from 23:45 to 00, you have 15 minutes, and then from 00 to 01, you have 1 hour. The same thing again, 01 to 02, you have 1 hour. From 02 to 03, you also have another hour. And then from 03 to 03:25, you have 25 minutes. So if we add up all this time duration here, we will have start from the hour, okay? Or if you want, you can also try to use the minutes first, right? So for the minutes, you just 15 plus the 25, then you have uh 40 minutes, right? And then since 40 minutes is less than 60 minutes, then you do not have the carryover for the hours, right? So after that, you just add the hour, 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour, you have 3 hours. 3 hours plus the 40 minutes over here, you have 3 hours 40 minutes. So the duration that the time that John took from town A to town B is 3 hours 40 minutes. And then please remember, you see this 00 hour here. This one is the mark for the new day, right? After 00 at midnight, you will go to the new day. But let's see, the time that he took the bus was on Tuesday, right? And then after the 00, then it will become Wednesday. So he arrived at town B on Wednesday. So this is how you solve the problems. You need to write down again the answer statements, and then you solve the problems. Okay, now let's see the second problem here. Okay, this is the second one. Kelly took a train from town C to town D, and then the train ride started at 22:35. And then I hope you understand this one. Yeah, on Thursday, this is the starting time. Okay, on Thursday. And then the train took 2 hours and 55 minutes to arrive at town D. Okay, we do not know about the arrival time, but we know about the duration. Now, so what we need to solve is at what time did the train arrive at town D, and then on what day did Kelly arrive at town D. So from reading this information, we know about the arrival time, about the starting time, and then we also know about the duration, but we do not know about the arrival time. So how to do this one? Just the same again. What we need to do first is to draw the timeline again. We draw the timeline, and then we know about the starting time, right? So let's just write down the starting time here, 22:35. And then we also know about the duration, okay, 2 hours and 55 minutes. So let's do this one. So 1 hour from 22:35 is 23:35, and then another hour after that, 23:35 is um, 0:35. Okay, this one is after the midnight. Okay, so let's mark the midnight time over here, 00, right? And then you have the 2 hours, right? And then another one is about 55 minutes. So let's from this 35 to another hour here, you it took about 25 minutes, right, to 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock here. And then from we still left another 30 minutes, right, from this 25 minutes here, because the minutes here is about 55, so another 30 minutes remaining is like this. We draw another 30 minutes, and then the arrival time is 1:30. So we got the arrival time here. And then please remember the 00 here is the time of midnight, right? Before that time, it, it was Thursday, and after that, it is Friday. So after we draw this, we know that we have the answer for the problems. The train arrived at town D, yeah, at about 1:30, because you have the time duration time here, 2 hours 50 minutes. Okay, and then Kelly arrived at town D on Friday. Okay, so that's how we solve the word problems. Okay, I hope to see you again next time.